On this occasion of birth anniversary of APJ Abdul Kalam, I would like to tell about the topic on vision that continues to illuminate the soul of our nation. APJ Abdul Kalam's vision in contemporary India. He is a missile man of India and people's president that dreamt of transforming India into a developed by 2020, not merely in economic terms, but the society that rooted in the knowledge, values, and national integrity. His vision, not a fantasy. It is the society grounded in developed unity and moral leadership. His contribution to the economy, that is, he included the 12th five-year plan, that is Viksit Bharat 2047, and in resource development, that is providing urban amenities in the rural development area that influenced the smart villages, and in science that he influenced the developing of ballistic missiles, that is Agni Mission and Pokhran 2, and vehicle technology in the satellite launch vehicle Mark 3. And he also influenced in the no first use policy and responsibility using of nuclear weapons. And in education, his qualities like pragmatic, holistic, and ethical influenced the National Education Policy 2020 and Right to Education Act, and including the technology in education, that is smart classrooms and labs, etc. And in political, he prioritized responsibility over power. He is the first president that used the suspensive veto in prevention of disqualification of members of parliament bill that influenced the impartial, impersonal, and apolitical presidential office. And in global level, he influenced with his values like cooperation and peace. He influenced the multilateral engagements like Shanghai Cooperation Operation and G20. And with his values, he influenced the debate and dialogue, which shows his role in Israel and Palestine war and Russia and Ukraine war. I would like to conclude it by the words in the Wings of Fire that he says, "We were born with divine aptitude, with right attitude, we can achieve great altitudes. Let us live his in vision that we would make India into a united and developed and inspiring to the world." Thank you.